Hi, I'm Christina Young, and I'm going to show you how to save a web page as a PDF in Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. First of all, why might you want to do that? Well, you might want to work when you're offline, or you might want to print, or you might want to mark something up. I found this particularly handy when working with my syllabi. So I'm going to open up a new tab in Google Chrome, and I've got a syllabus loaded up here, and I'm going to save it as a PDF. I'm going to go to the File menu at the top left, and you might see Save Page As and think that's a tempting option, but if you choose that, you'll end up saving it as a web page. We want a PDF. So our workaround is to choose Print. When we choose Print, in the Destination drop-down box, you'll see all your printers listed and the option to save as PDF. Choose that. Click Save. It will ask you what you want to name it and where you want it to go. I'm choosing my desktop. Click Save. And when I move the Chrome tab out of the way, at the top right of my desktop, I can see that that web page has now saved as a PDF. I just opened it in Preview. You could open it in Preview or Adobe or whatever you use to open your PDFs. And now you can print it. It's nicely paginated. Or you could mark it up if you chose. I like to check off things when I got them done on the syllabus, so it seemed pretty handy. Two other ways that you could accomplish the same thing in Chrome are, one would be to choose this menu at the top right, and print is an option there. That'll open up the print dialog box. Or you could do Command P if you're using a Mac, or Control P if you're using Windows, and that same print dialog box will come up. Firefox works very much the same way as Safari. So let me open up Firefox, and I would go to the File menu and choose Print. In the Destination drop-down box, choose Save to PDF, and click Save. It will again ask me what I want to name it and where I want it to go. I want it to go to my desktop, and I click Save. Firefox has the same shortcuts as Chrome, so I could have gone to the menu at the top indicated by the three bars, the top right, and choose Print, or I could have chosen Command P or Control P. And we can see that it's here on the right-hand side of my desktop, saved as a PDF. In Safari has a kind of a handy option. In Safari, when you go to the File menu, you have as an option Export as PDF. That's a really handy option. So again, it asks me what I want to name it and where I want it to go, and it is saved on my desktop. Now you'll notice it's over here on the right that it looks a little different than the Chrome and the Firefox versions. It's saved all as one big page, and it looks more like the original web page. I sort of like the look of this, but if you prefer the more traditional look of the Chrome or Firefox version, you can also accomplish that in Safari by going to the File menu and choosing Print. When you do that, instead of being in this Destination Printer dialog box, the PDF will be in a dialog box at the bottom left of your print dialog. It's a drop-down menu that says PDF. Choose Save as PDF. And I need to change the name of this just because I have already saved it once. Click Save. And it is now on my desktop on the right, saved as a PDF that is paginated. Very handy for printing. So I hope that helps.